what's going on, man? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one, man. So we are at Quaker Steak and Lube. This is a meet that happens every Monday, Monday night, basically, about 6:30ish to about 9. So man, we're out here just hanging out, man. We got that old school SS over there. But yeah, man, so we're just over here hanging out, man. Here with Cat, Schofield, and everybody else, man. You guys can see our cars over there. Let me actually go get some video of it.
There you go. Perfect, thank you.
This right here is Schofield's car, man. Schofield 07. The put on the bottom of the screen, of course. This here is his son's car, Tyler. Also put his on the bottom of the screen. You guys can go check him out. Of course, we got Keith right there, Cat. Walking away. Then of course we got Cat's car right here, man. Keith, bagged Hellcat. Then we got Christine here, man, hanging out, looking pretty as always, man. So anyway, we're about to go hang out, man. Go sit down. Yep, still got the scrape there, but it's all right. It's all good. Anyway, man. But there you go, man. There goes the line with who we came with today. But we about to go hang out, go sit down for a little bit. Probably get something to eat real quick, or maybe small, something light. And then we're gonna come back out, man, and see what's going on. Like I said, this goes well into the night. Well, to about 9 o'clock, man. So it gets pretty dark by the time it's all said and done. So we're out here and you see Gianni right here. Hey. I don't know if you guys seen that. I don't know if I caught that on camera, but that was an RX-7 3rd gen. Anyway, man, it is pretty packed today, man. Like, it's pretty dope. Look at all these people out here. Hey man, it's pretty packed today because it's Labor Day. Yeah, man. Labor Day weekend, man, or Labor Day Monday. So I guess a lot of people didn't have to go to work, so they're out here hanging out, man. So it's pretty dope. People brought their dogs out and everything else. But anyway, about to head back that way, go eat real quick, and then we're gonna come out and check out the rest of the cars, man, when everything's all lit up. You see Christine already looking nice and spiffy there, lit up. Again, Cat, Tyler, Schofield, and his father right there, Jeff Schofield. So yeah, man, it's pretty dope, man. Cause no matter how many people come out here, this event, it's always pretty chill, man. So, by the way, you got that. I think Jenny just took videos of that right there. But yeah, man, this event is always pretty chill. There's not a lot of people that's rowdy or anything like that, man. People just kind of hang out and relax, man. So it's pretty dope. It's always a dope vibe out here.
like this thing right here. What is it?
It's Herbie.
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 That's good. 99 times for the radiator one.
You gonna build you one of these?
I had a couple of them.
I know, you say you're gonna build another one.
I'd like to have one.
This vehicle left early. Oh.
Got him.
That's early. Okay, I guess I'll stay now.
He was about to get out for the outro, but nope, got him.
Yeah, you got me.
But it's gonna be a quick one, man. Anyway, man, that's pretty much it. Like I said, we didn't record a whole lot, but there was a lot of cars out there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm trying not to make these videos too long. So we just try to do get all the highlights and everything else, man. But anyway, man, it was super packed today because it was Labor Day, I guess, so a lot of people was off of work. But this is the first time he went. How'd you like it?
I mean, it was fun. The food took a long time, but it was fun.
The food did take a long time. Like, and we just got like some appetizers. Then we got like boneless wings, like 6 boneless wings. No, he got some fries, like loaded fries type of thing. I got some boneless wings. Keith, Fatkat, and Schofield's, they got boneless wings. Their wives got salad. Things that literally should take like 10 minutes to put together. And we sat in that table probably for like at least an hour, man. It was crazy. But regardless, though, man, we had a good time. Like I said, the vibe is pretty chill, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like it's a lot of people that go out there, but the vibe is never like a lot of just craziness. It's always a chill vibe. People just hanging out, chilling, walking around looking at cars. And like I said, it's never like a vibe like it's like too crowded or too much or too busy. Like it's just like a chill vibe, right?
Yeah.
Everybody just calm, relaxing. So I go out there. This is my 3rd time not going out there. His 1st time, but anyway, man. But enough of that, man. Finally caught Schofield with that stupid Mustang. God, I think it's so nasty. We've been trying to get a feature on that car for like the last probably month and a half, 2 months. But as of course, that car only comes out in good weather and everything else, man. So we just haven't had the perfect opportunity. So one of these weekends, we'll make sure we get a good feature on that car, and so you guys can know all the intricate details of that thing, man. But it's coming, man. So make sure you guys stay tuned to that. And with that being said, man, somebody made a comment on one of my last videos about brand loyalty and all this other crap. To me, that's stupid, man. And I know some of you Mopar guys might be mad at me, but at the end of the day, you guys know me, man. I don't sugarcoat nothing. I don't hide nothing back from nobody. I'm not a brand loyal type of guy, man. I like all cars. Obviously, I love Christina. Dodge is doing major things right now with their whole lineup and everything else, man. You guys heard what I said. I mean, it's true. As far as Ford and Chevy, I mean, Dodge is always ahead of the curve, as far as putting things out and things like that. But at the same time, I mean, Ford and Chevy still putting out good products, man. They put out good stuff. And Schofield, he has that black Ford Mustang, man. The Shelby, stupid nasty. His son just bought that GT350R. It's brand spanking new, and he just bought it like 2 weeks ago. Not even like a week or 2 weeks ago. So, I mean, Ford got some heat out there too, man. So, we'll see what happens, man. But anyway, But as far as that brand loyalty stuff, man, I'm not with that, man. I like, if it's a nice car, if it's a good car, I like it, period. You know what I'm saying? It's just like clothes. I'm not gonna say, oh, I can only rock Adidas, I can't rock Nike because I'm brand loyal to Adidas. Nah, if Nike got a good product out, they got a good shoe, they got a good, you know, clothing I like, then I'm gonna get it, period. I'm not gonna be I gotta only buy Adidas. That's stupid of me. So anyway, unless one of those companies are paying me to be loyal to them, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna do whatever I want. And like I said, if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. Simple as that, man. But anyway, enough of that. You got anything else you want to tell them?
Subscribe, hit that like button.
And
oh yeah, and hit the notification bell.
And hit that notification bell. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Make sure you guys share too.
By the way, that bell should turn blue. When you hit it, it should turn blue.
And you're gonna see little parentheses around it as well.
Yeah.
Anyway, man, so yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man, and make sure you guys share these videos as well, man, so we can keep growing and keep doing our thing, man. So like I said, you know, this channel keep growing and growing and growing. But I do appreciate all the support you guys have given us thus far, and we're excited for the future, man.
Wait, did you say us?
Us.
He said us.
All right, man, we out of here, man. Appreciate you guys again for watching the video, man. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us and all the support you guys have been giving us so far, man. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.